Warning, this tape is only to be played in the case of an actual SCP-1440 containment breach. Unauthorized spreading of this tape will result in immediate termination. You have been warned.
Warning. This is an alert from the SCP Foundation. An incredibly dangerous anomalous entity known as SCP-1440 has been seen near your location. SCP-1440 has the supernatural ability, when given enough time, can destroy every man-made natural object. As such, you must evacuate your area. If you are unable to drive, the SCP Foundation and your local government will provide transportation. The SCP Foundation will recontain SCP-1440. Secure, contain, protect.